Hello everyone. Good morning. Today, I am sitting in a beautiful garden. The weather is calm, the air is fresh, and the flowers are smiling with me. Sometimes I come to the garden when my mind feels tired. This place gives peace to my heart. When I sit on this bench, I start thinking about life. Life moves very fast, but we forget and breathe. In the garden, nothing is in a hurry. The flowers bloom slowly, the leaves dance with the wind, and everything feels simple. I close my eyes for a moment and listen to nature. No phone, no noise, only silence and peace. This silence teaches me something very important. It is okay to slow down. In our daily life, we worry about future, we regret past, and we forget to live the present. Look at the flowers. They don't worry about tomorrow. They just bloom today. Sometimes people ask me, why do you smile so much? I smile. I choose peace. I smile because I believe small moments create a happy life. Sitting here, I realize happiness is not expensive. It is free, just like fresh air and warm sunlight. This reminds me that growth needs time, just like plants. We also need patience. If today you feel weak, tired, or fused, remember, even flowers don't bloom every day. Take deep breath, trust yourself, and keep going. Before I leave, I want to tell you one thing. Spend some time with nature. Spend some time with yourself. You deserve peace. Thank you for listening. See you again. Have a beautiful day.